All right, so to get on the seat covers to the back seat, what I need to do is I need to remove this bottom part of the Toyota Corolla. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab right here and lift up, and there should be a peg that will pop out. Let's see how that goes. All right, got it. So there should be another one over here. I'm just going to grab right here, pop it out. Okay, now we can start pulling it out. You can see it's already removed, and if you want to take out the seat completely, what you do is, see over here on this seat belt, there's a little clip right here, and what you want to do is you want to push that clip down with a screwdriver or something. All right, so I'm going to try to do this with one hand. We'll see how successful I am. Okay, just pops right out. From here, move the seat belt, and now we could just remove the back seat.